Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Pepper. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. How do you like my makeup look? If you like it and if you want to see more of it and how I did it, this video is for you. And I just thought I'll just do a quick get ready with me video, since I was getting ready for office and I thought of this makeup look and I was like, oh, that's going to be exciting. And trust me, I mean, look at that, it's gorge, don't you think that? So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, we are in robes and all ready to go to office. The only thing that is left is to kind of do some makeup on the face and get ready. So I thought, why not shoot it and make a video of getting ready with me and the steps that I usually take, which feels realistic to me. So let's start. So I've already moisturized my face and I've put sunscreen on it. I've also put a little bit primer under my eyes, and now we can actually start with the foundation. So usually just take that much of foundation, and something weird that has happened to my skin. I don't know how, why, but yeah. One very important thing when you are actually applying your foundation is to also put it over here. Like, it's important that your neck and your face look of the same color. So while I'm doing this, I felt like I want to talk about a few things. Like, since this is going to be a part of the living in Mumbai series, I just thought I'll talk about a few things that you know So, living in Mumbai is basically living a very fast paced life. And while doing that, what happens is that sometimes you just forget that you have to like wait and kind of enjoy the moments and stuff like that. What you do is usually just keep running. I mean, you wake up in the morning, you do this, that, you go catch your local, and then you go to work, and then once you're back from work, you just have your food and you're done. Like, people here don't spend time for themselves, on themselves, and at least not on a daily basis. I mean, you do go out whenever there's a holiday or maybe on the weekends, but it's just a very fast-paced life. The fact is that sometimes you don't even know who your neighbor is. Like, so this is the concealer. I'm going to put it under my eyes, uh, like so. And a little bit over here, like basically wherever you see a little bit of a black area. So like, I don't do a lot of makeup, in the sense I don't do a lot of steps, because usually I'm rushing for work, and like, I don't have much time to um, do a lot of steps. But this feels like basic and doable, so I kind of do it on a daily basis. A few things that I am, like doing over here. By the way, you guys, I have purchased some new makeup. I'm gonna make a haul about that, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, I was talking about Mumbai and the busy life that we have here. So I think that takes a lot of toll on your mental health, because you don't sit and address your problems, or you don't sit and address even your happiness for that matter. And it is kind of important that you sit and you face things, like, especially, I just got recently married and stuff like that. I mean, it's not that recent anymore, but when it was very recent, there were a couple of things that, it was such a big change in my life, and I had to basically find a new me. And that is something which um, takes time, and it takes a lot of changing to do, and not just this. In fact, I feel like people who have like newly shifted to Mumbai because of some job reasons or whatever it is, it's like, I mean, it's all good that there are a lot of clubs and nightlife and life with friends and being without parents and stuff, but if you've already been in Mumbai for like some time, you'll realize that you'll miss family, and it's okay to feel that way. But the real part over here is to basically kind of get close to your emotions, like sit back and like face it. I think one of the things that I do is basically that I write down things, and that helps me a lot. I totally believe in journaling. I also believe in no thought journaling, like like without any prompts. What you do is you just go ahead and just go ahead and write down. I mean, the first thing, you just wake up and you write down stuff. So what I did right now was I have just set everything with a powder. We are getting close to getting done. Like I said, it's a very very small makeup routine. I don't do a lot of stuff on a daily basis. So now I'm going to apply some blush. So yeah, I was saying that I write down stuff, and it helps a lot. And trust me, it's helped me so much to just take things out of my head. Not just problems, but also to do's. I mean, if there are a lot of things that is going on in your life, and there are multiple sections of life that you need to kind of sort, taking it out from your mind and putting it on a piece of paper really helps a lot, because that kind of makes sure that your brain is no more trying to just think about those topics, and maybe then think about the action plan that you're going to take in order to kind of solve your problem. Now I'm going to put some highlighter. That problem can be anything. I mean, it can be something which is da 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 tasks that you need to do for work, or even like your grocery shopping or whatever it is. I mean, handling a house on a single level is not so easy. Like, so basically what I'm trying to do over here is kind of trying to let people know that what, you're not weird if you're feeling out of place. There are other people in the world who feel similarly, and just trying to be like the girl next door who you can like maybe relate to. I've been here long enough in Mumbai, but it takes a lot to get used to it. And I mean, you might know friends who easily got adjusted to the pace of life here, but there are people like me who still feel like it's difficult. So now I'm using a brown kajal under my eyes. And I also have a white pencil. So what I'm going to do is, today I'm feeling a little fancy, so I'm going to use this white pencil to kind of highlight the inner corner of my eyes. Like that, it just instantly brighten up. So at my lashes, what I usually do is, I don't like to put a mascara on a daily basis, because it also becomes a lot of hassle to kind of remove it later on. So I have a small little trick. I take a kajal pencil, I just hold my eye like that, and I basically do this, and I feel like it enhances your eyes a little bit, And I think that's good to go for on a daily basis. I mean, who has time? I'm feeling fancy today, so I'm gonna put something which is a little more sassy. I know. It looks red, but we are not going to stop here. We're going to mix like two different shades to form one. Hmm. See? It looks nice. It has the brightness of the red and it has a little bit of brown. So I've used a color from Maybelline Sensational Matte. I think it's called Get Undressed. And then there is a lipstick from K Beauty that's called Backstage. So I think it looks nice. So this is the finished look. I have paired a simple earring, gold earring, and just did my hair and wore my outfit. Um, I think you'll be able to see it inside screen. So I know you have already seen the complete look since the intro of the video was with this look. But I just thought I'll just add a few details, like I've also worn this kara kind of a thing. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please comment down below and let me know. That gives a lot of motivation. And if you want to know what kind of products I've used in this video, you can also comment down below and ask me for it. Basically this video was more like, get ready with me, and the steps of things that are involved when I get ready on a daily basis, and not really about the product or the brands that I use. So if in case you also want to know which product exactly did I use, you can let me know and I'll make a video something like this, but with a little bit different look. I'll kind of introduce all the products that I usually use when I'm doing my makeup. So yeah, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, come back for more. Bye bye.